Hi children, we have studied something about birds now. What birds can do? Birds can fly. And what is special about them? They have wings to fly, and they have beak to pick and eat, beak. Here look, which is this bird? Hen. What hen gives us? Hen gives us egg. Hen gives us egg. And what is this? Cock. And what is this? Crow. What is the color of crow? Black. What is the color of crow? Black. And what is this? Parrot. What is this? Parrot. What is the color of parrot? Green. Parrot is a green color bird. What is the color of its beak? Red color. And what is this? Pigeon. What is this? Pigeon. And what is this? It is very small bird. Sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. Sparrow. And this is kingfisher. And what is this? Owl. What is special about owl? Owl can see only at night. Daytime they cannot see. Owl can see only at night. Owl. And what is this? This is peacock. Peacock is our national bird. And do you see the feathers of birds? We know the birds have feathers. Here look, what is this? Here look, what is this? Ah, look, what is this? It is very beautiful to see. Here look, what is this? This is very beautiful, see? This is very big also. What is this? This is the feather of a peacock. This is the feather of a peacock. Look how beautiful it is looking. Very beautiful. Look, it is very colorful. Blue, green and very colorful. And this makes the peacock look so beauty, and it can use this for dancing. Peacock can use this and dance. It is very beautiful. And look, all the birds have feathers. Only peacock have this much of big feathers, and the other birds have small feathers. Make them keep warm and cover it, and that help them to fly also. Where do birds stay? Where do we stay? We stay in home or house. Now where do birds stay? Birds make nest on the trees. Birds make nest on the tree tops, and some birds make holes on the trees and stay inside it. Parrot also make holes. Woodpecker also make holes on the trees and stay there. And other birds, crow, like eagle, like that, birds make nest on trees and make it warm with the dry leaves, like that things. Small twigs, dry leaves, and make the nest and keep it there warm. And hen and cock. What do hen and cock? They don't make nest. We, the people, are making home for hen and cock. The home of hen and cock. The home of hen is what? Coop. What do we say? Coop. C-O-O-P. Coop is the home of hen. Thank you, children.